Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to learn about some relations. Relation word is called rishte, which I have already written on the board. Next word is bhai. It's mean brother, and next is behan. It's mean sister. Next word is walid. It's mean father. Next word is walida. Its meaning in English is mother. Next word is nana or dada. These both words, if we translate in English, they will called grandfather. And next, nani and dadi will called in English grandmother. Next words are phupa, chacha, mamu. Phupa, chacha, mamu. These three words, if we translate in English, they will called uncle, phoopy, chachi, chachi, and mamani. These three words will called in English aunt or auntie. Sotela walid ya sotela baap. Sotela baap is called in English stepfather. And Soteli ma will called in English stepmother. Sotela bhai will called step brother, and also Soteli behan. Soteli behan will called step sister. So students, these were some important relations between between a family. So we learn about some relations in our family. So next inshallah we will meet in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.